Welcome to 782 Sammon Avenue, a newly built custom home situated within the high-demand Danforth Village neighbourhood of East York. Exuding incredible curb appeal, its exterior of Sagiper siding and cultured stone is complemented with a wood window well, steps, and a pergola, as well as a stone and concrete walkway and a concrete porch with glass railing. Through an 8-foot entry door with sidelight is a slate-tiled foyer with an under-the-staircase shoe cubby, and which opens into a home showcasing engineered white oak hardwood flooring, pot lighting, modern chandeliers and ceiling light fixtures, staircases with oak treads as well as glass and oak railings, and oversized windows allowing for abundant natural lighting throughout. The open concept design of this level showcases gorgeous living and entertaining spaces, as well as a powder room with a modern vessel basin atop a granite counter and a space-saving pocket door. The kitchen is a superbly functional workspace with striking finishes, including crisp white modern cabinetry, dark granite counters, and marble backsplash. Complementing the workspace is a built-in chef's desk, while a breakfast table of reclaimed wood extending from a center island with a breakfast bar, as well as a separate dining area, make the kitchen ideally suited for casual or formal entertaining. Complete with high-end appliances, the kitchen also features a stainless steel double undermount sink, undermount cabinetry lighting and soft closing hardware, as well as a pot filler. A gas fireplace with marble cladding and topped with a reclaimed wood mantel spreads its warmth throughout the family room, where a garden door walkout opens onto a concrete deck with glass railing and a pergola, as well as a lovely backyard setting surrounded by new fencing and shaded with mature trees. The lighting throughout the home is LED, and other superb features include built-in ceiling speakers in the kitchen, family room, and master bedroom, a full security and surveillance system, in-wall wiring for televisions in the family and living rooms, master bedroom, and the lower-level family room, while every closet in the home has interior lighting. A wonderful upper-level reading area with a bench seat and bookshelves is brightened by natural light flooding through its oversized window and 2 hallway skylights. A glass railing separates the hallways leading to the second and third bedrooms, both which feature vaulted ceilings and double closets. These bedrooms also share the main 4-piece washroom, which features a porcelain tiled floor and a bath area with rain shower, a floating vanity, as well as a space-saving pocket door. Above the main washroom is a loft space with remote-controlled multicolored pot lighting and is suitable for storage, but also as a play area for older children. And tucked behind sliding doors off the hallway is a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer. The master suite showcases a luxuriously finished ensuite washroom that is marble tiled throughout, has a freestanding tub, a water closet, a shower with glass door, and a floating vanity with dual basins, and is complete with heated floors as well as accent lighting. The bedroom itself features a vaulted ceiling with fan and can access the loft space, and also has a garden door walkout onto a private balcony with glass railing and backyard views, as well as a custom closet space with built-in wardrobes. Off the slate-tiled lower staircase landing is a side door entrance allowing for separate access to a professionally finished lower level, ideal as an in-law suite. This open-concept living space showcases a modern kitchen with a slate floor, crisp white cabinetry, as well as stainless steel appliances and sink. While the recreation area features 2 distinct rooms separated by sliding barn doors of reclaimed wood and with soft closing and opening hardware. The high-quality laminate flooring and pot lighting is also found throughout most of this level, and the family room additionally features an electric fireplace and reclaimed wood shelving. This level also features a double coat closet, a 3-piece washroom with floating vanity as well as a porcelain tiled floor and shower area, a roughed-in laundry room complete with storage shelving, and a spacious bedroom with a walk-in closet. Enjoying a great location, this home is close to schools, a community center and library, shopping, restaurants and entertainment, a hospital, as well as TTC bus and subway service, and access to the DVP is just a short drive away.